We all have a natural ceiling of what we can achieve on our own. And it took Justin and I a really long time to realize that we can still serve our clients and families in a boutique style without having this thought that getting leverage and having a larger company in real estate meant, you know, a cold handoff to our clients. And so once we surrounded ourselves with the right people, our business just took off. And we were able to impact more people and go further faster. And so if there's a takeaway in any of your businesses, I would really look at where you're at and what your growth rate is and where you want to go, and realizing that no one succeeds alone, and who you surround yourself with matters. I've done it both ways. I've wanted to grow and surrounded ourselves with people that weren't like-minded and didn't have the same culture thoughts that we did and didn't want to serve our clients in the same way. And it made life miserable. And we had to course correct pretty quickly. And then there's the difference when you surround yourself with extremely talented people and it feels more like family and everyone's rowing in the same direction. You can grow rapidly.